All right, YouTubers, cooking time. This is a piece of leftover chicken. And make a quick and easy meal on a rainy day. As you can see, I'm cutting it small. Try something a little weird. I figure it's leftovers. Do something different. See how it works out. I got here just when the rain started. It's pretty cool. Got the power hooked up, and like within a minute it was raining. I was gonna go walk around a little bit, but we're gonna hold off. I'm gonna try to clean this up. All right, I got 3 mini peppers left. Oh, I got more left, but I'm gonna use 3. All right, some frozen onion. Small space is not easy. All right, that's what's going in. Let me see how well I can do this. Boom. Boom. Alright, now we're going to plug in this. If you don't have an induction cooktop, that's fine. You can use something like this. This is just an electric burner. I'm on electric. Why use my propane stove? Alright, I'm going to get that heated up. Alright, couple things. As this heating up, again, I'm at Christmas, Kewadin Casino, free power. I went inside and filled up my coffee mug for free. And I'm at the very end spot furthest away from the casino, and I can pick up the Wi-Fi from White Pine Lodge, which is kind of nice. All right, that's warming up a little bit, so that's going in. All that's going in. All that is going in. And I'll give it away at this part. I'm gonna make wraps. I got tortillas, and I'm gonna do something weird. I have left over this tiki masala sauce, so I'm gonna do like an Indian inspired wrap. This isn't too frozen. I took it out of the fridge. When it's this cold, it's easy for stuff to get frozen. Let that go. I was gonna use a wooden spoon, this fun little wooden spoon, but instead I'm going to use this so that I can put it on the wrap. See if I need more of this sauce once it becomes liquid again. Okay, that's going to cook. Now that it's unfrozen a bit, I'm going to put a little bit more of this. I might as well use it all, right? Let's see how it comes out. This is going to be interesting. I like all these things put together, so it should work. One would think. Right? Alright, cookity cook. Okay, that's coming along. I'm gonna let it simmer for a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. If you like Indian food, I really like Indian food. I was that guy that would go to Indian places and people would just be shocked at the spice. I'm like, what are you talking about? And it's not, I've said before, I like sriracha because it's got a good flavor. I like the garlic to it. I've never been a Tabasco fan because to me, and a lot of people will disagree because Tabasco is very popular, it's just hot. There's no flavor. You know, it's just, And it's not super hot, it's just there's no flavor. Indian spices are just, even when they're spicy, are just so tasty. I should be eating more Indian stuff. I should learn how to cook it myself instead of a jar. All right, gonna let that simmer for a bit. So, what I like to do, I don't think it's all that radical or anything. I'm sure it's probably quite common. So I like to take the tortilla, lay it on top, let it soften up a little bit. And then obviously the important thing is this goes down. So any mess is on the tortilla is the same side that all the junk's going in. And it ain't junk, all the good stuff's going in. We're getting close. When I stopped, I got a cucumber because I'm gonna have a salad later. But I'm also, cucumber is quite popular in Indian food, and I'm gonna cut some of it up. I got the thrift store peeler. I'm not gonna show you too much of it because, you know, space. I also got stuff to do salad because I do eat salads, but I don't often show it. Like a lot of times I have a salad as a snack. So, okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this that way because I want them to be small. The plate, I got the tortilla. I'm going to put some of the stuff in the tortilla. Now we're going to move the camera. Give me a second. Hopefully the lighting is good. One thing I've mentioned before is a small class B. You play the shuffle game. So we're putting some cucumber in there. I have cheese too, but I don't think I'm going to do cheese. I have, I should get enough crunch from those, but I have some tortilla strips. I like a little crunch. It changes the texture a little bit. And then I just bought, I like iceberg lettuce. I know it's not like trendy or anything like that, but it's what I like. I'm going to put a little of that in because I'm going to have a salad, like I said, later anyways. So yeah, and I can probably get 3 or 4 of these in there. And I just like, again, I like iceberg because, to me, you like whatever you like, it's your business. The crunch factor and the moisture factor, it's better than eating grass, I think. So it's like an Indian wrap. There we go. Not just because I was super hungry. This is honestly good. A lot of different flavors in there. It's very good. All right, YouTubers, quick and easy meal. Have a great and wonderful day. Here's number 2. Chicken, cucumbers, tortilla strips, lettuce, tasty goodness. It rained a lot, so I recorded it with the GoPro because I know a lot of people like to watch and listen to the rain, but I don't know how it turned out yet, so we'll see. Until then, have a great and wonderful day.